Yes, welcome to the second period of this nutrition one. I'll just allow myself to use the screen, then we can see it. Yes. Okay, share the screen. We were on PPT. So get it. Vitamins. So till here, I don't think anything we are missing from the notes. All these things are given in the notes and some detailing I had provided so that if you feel there are some terms that may be difficult for non-science trainees. So I had explained all those terms in such a manner that you will not feel difficulty. Okay. So this is vitamin. I have already explained that there are two types of vitamins. We call it vitamins also and vitamins also. Two pronunciations are there. One is American and one is English. In English pronunciation, we call it vitamins, and in American pronunciation, we call it vitamins. So fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K, and water soluble vitamins are B1, B12, vitamin C. All these are uh, they are known as vitamins of B complex group that are water soluble. Okay, so I'll just this in this note, whatever function we have done with the help of all those calcium, potassium, and all those things, same, most of the functions are same. So I had not made different slides for all these. We will just read it. So Shalini, will you please read this page, vitamin A?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank
Vitamin A, liver egg, yolk, cream, retinol, butter, ghee, milk, etc.
Yes.
Maintenance of health of
Epithelial.
epithelial tissues.
Yes, I had
Tissues.
written the
Right.
pronunciation because it is a new term, no? So a non-science trainee
Yes.
feel difficulty to use it. So the pronunciation, it's written at the side, epithelial tissues. What are epithelial
Okay, ma'am.
tissues? Epithelial tissues are tissues that are formed in the outer level of the body. What is outer level of the body? The largest organ of the body, our skin. Okay, so this epithelial tissue
Okay, ma'am.
is found in largest organ of our body, skin, and it is also found in some of the internal organs that has hollow thing, like intestinal wall, like artery, and all those that is also having hollow thing, no? So wherever even the this brain is also containing this epithelial tissues. Okay. These
Okay,
are
ma'am.
the places where we find this tissue. Okay. And what
Okay.
is the function? Vision and dim light. It helps in the good health of eyes. Everybody knows it. We have learned it from our school days that vitamin A, carrot, is good for vision. So carrot is not mentioned over here. Oh,
No, ma'am.
yes. Okay. Vitamin D, please read.
Vitamin D produces by the action of sunlight on skin and animal food like egg, butter, fish, liver, oil, etc.
Yes. Cod
Functions.
liver oil. Have you seen cod liver oil? That comes in golden capsules.
What,
That
ma'am?
is golden color capsule. It comes. I'll just show you. I
Ach-
have because I give to my children. I'll show you. Huh? Just a minute. I'll bring it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. This is cod liver oil. It is rich in omega 3 and it is also good for bone health. This fish liver oil it is given, no? I'll show you.
I'm not able to see you, ma'am.
Yeah. This
Okay, okay.
and this is the brand that is good for the children bone health and also for memory. Okay. This cod liver oil, calcium and phosphorus absorption is given, no, in the function. It means it is good for
Yes.
bone health. If child complains that my leg is paining, hand is paining, so we can give this cod liver oil to the children as supplement. Okay, vitamin E.
Vitamin E, vegetables
Vitamin,
oil, pulses,
yes,
nuts, and oil seeds.
correct. And what is the function? Function is production of unsaturated fatty acid. Saturated fat
Fatty
and
acid.
unsaturated fat I had explained. So that type of acid is also present inside our body. So just I have explained acidic content in our body. So it maintains that vitamin E. Vitamin K, green leafy vegetables, egg yolk and liver.
Egg yolk, liver, etc.
And why it is vitamin K? Uh, it is necessary for clotting of blood. Clotting of blood, I have explained in previous session that why it is necessary. If we will not have clotting of blood capability, then whenever we will get hurt, cut, or anything, uh, the blood will not stop. So we need to have it in proper quantity in the body. Now, these are water soluble vitamins. They are also known as vitamins of B complex group. Uh, this one, thiamine and riboflavin, niacin, folic acid, vitamin B12, vitamin C. These are known as B complex group vitamin. So, from where this thiamine we can get cereals, pulses, nuts, eggs, yolk. So mostly it is given that fish oil or liver, egg, all these non-veg thing have lots of vitamins. Nowadays we are and green leafy vegetable cereals and pulses, nuts also. So there are some children those who do not like these pulses, that they do not eat many things in this group. That's why there are supplements in the market for multivitamins that is given as syrup also and as tablets also. But children should not have deficiency of it. Why? What will happen? Because this carbohydrate metabolism metabolism which I had explained that this process in which things goes inside the body and uh, comes out from the body. So it feels difficulty when these vitamins are not over there. Like thiamine helps in maintaining the metabolism, carbohydrate, protein, and fat metabolism. So this digestion I had explained that carbohydrates break into sugar and glucose in the body. So that metabolism, carbohydrate metabolism means when the food is being converted into glucose by digestive system, it feels difficulty when thiamine is less in our body. And riboflavin helps in all three content metabolism, and niacin helps in carbohydrate, protein, and fat metabolism. Same. What is riboflavin is doing, niacin is also doing the same thing. Folic acid is little different. It helps in formation of red blood cell in the bone marrow. Okay. Inside the bone marrow, we have uh, red blood cell. So that is helped by the folic acid. That's why it is being given to the pregnant lady with iron and folic acid tablet we get. Vitamin B12, it helps in the formation of red blood cell and also helps in proper functioning of the digestive tract and nervous system. So whenever we tell no mungi aa rahi hai haathon ko, so we get B12 uh, tablets for that. So anything that is happening with the nervous system or strain or ये दैट मूंगी वाला सिस्टम और बोलते हैं ना ऐसे हमारा हाथ का नस खिंचा रहा है, तो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम में हमें विटामिन B12 दिया जाता है. सो दैट इज नेसेसरी फॉर नर्वस सिस्टम functioning. And vitamin C, everybody knows that vitamin C rich food helps to boost the immunity of the body. So citrus, amla, guava, capsicum, green leafy vegetable are uh, rich in vitamin C, and they help in healing of the wound, also absorption of iron in the body. If we are eating iron intake, lots and lots of this palak and all, we need to have some other leafy vegetable also for absorption of iron, vitamin C. Okay, so it helps in healing the wound. It is written for vitamin C, and vitamin C also helps to boost up immunity. Everybody knows. Now there are these vitamins are helping along with minerals to maintain bone health and all different type of organ health we have just learned in previous slides. Now last one comes micronutrients. What are micronutrients? The nutrients that are needed in smallest amount in our body. They are micro means very small. So they are known as micronutrients. So iron and iodine. What is iron's this presence in our body? Where do we find it? Everybody knows that we find it in blood, hemoglobin. This is common thing, but it is also available in bone marrow and kidney, liver, spleen. Iron is present in these internal organs as well. And what is the function of iron? What will happen if iron will be less, or blood, red blood cell, hemoglobin will be less in our body? Then what will happen? Memory retention and attention span will be lesser. So for this, it is necessary, and for good health of a spleen, liver, and bone marrow, kidney, iron is necessary. Uh, Shalini, everybody means all of you must know that, or you know that the internal organs are made up of blood content. That's why many of the internal organ are looking red, like kidney, they are maroon in color. Liver is also red. Spleen color is also reddish. So it means they contain iron in it. Now, iodine found in thyroid gland. This gland, I was explaining that the goiter happens when thyroid is not properly present in our food. So that thyroid gland is component, this iodine is also the component of thyroxine hormone. So whenever there will be lack of thyroid, this hormone will be getting a hormone level will get disturbed in the body, and then the goiter disease happens. So for this, iodine is necessary, and it regulates chemical reaction in body cell. What was chemical reaction that I had explained you? Intracellular and extracellular things, that potassium um, mm, um, goes that sorry, sodium goes through the passage, and then potassium is this side internal in plasma, and sodium is in the outer side of the membrane, like that. So that function iodine helps to regulate. Now these are rich food. Iodine, again edamame, all protein intake is given over there, chickpea, edamame, and this. Black-eyed beans, these are rich in protein as well, and they are rich in iron as well. That day I had explained that we say that this is rich in iron. It doesn't mean that one thing is rich in only one nutrients. There are many things that are multiple nutrients rich. So like kidney beans, they are rich in protein. These beans, they are also rich in iron. And it is said that most of the red thing contain iron in large quantity. So see, this is also red. This is Sultana bran and all this. Like we get no oats meal. Inside there are different type of berries, cranberries and all. It is like that.
Mm,
And this kidney and prunes, dried plum. Dried plum is known as
okay.
prunes, raisin. So these are all rich in iron. So what do we get in our vicinity out of this? Have you ever seen this Swiss chard? I have not seen. Maybe it's found with
No,
different
ma'am.
name. Yes, I have also not. This watercress is also I have not seen. So whatever we can see, we can get it from our locality. Cashew nut, sesame seed we get, spaghetti we get, lentils, red color, again red color rich in iron. Then we get almond also, apricot, moong beans, sprouts we can have for rich and parsley. Parsley we can see in Reliance and all places we get. Spring onion we get it. So these are the things that are rich in iron. Figs, these things
ये
we
स्विस चार्ट क्या मैम, वो जो बोलता है ना लाल साग?
हाँ, इट इज लुकिंग लाइक लाल साग, लेकिन मुझे कंफर्म नहीं है इसलिए मैंने बोला नहीं। लेकिन इसका शेप और इसका स्टेम वैसे ही दिख रहा है लाल साग के जैसा। लेकिन जो लाल साग रहता है ना, वो पत्ता भी थोड़ा लाल हो जाता है उसका। ये पूरा ग्रीन है।
नहीं मैम, उसका ग्रीन लीव्स भी मिलता है।
ओके, हो सकता है। मैं तो एक ही बार इसको पकाई हूँ और मुझे बिल्कुल भी अंदाजा नहीं है, लेकिन लाल साग में तो आयरन होता है, तो मे बी स्विस
हम्म।
चार्ड को बोलते हो। ओके, एंड दीज आर स्पिनच एंड दिस अगेन स्विस चार्ड इधर भी आ गया। फिर क्विनोआ आ गया, सोयाबीन, ओट्स, फिग्स। These are means very traditional thing that people say कि खून कम हो गया है तो ये खाओ। ये prunes, fig और raisin, ये तो हमें पता है, हम खाते भी हैं। और बाकी चीजें तो खाते ही हैं, ये किडनी बीन्स तो खाते ही हैं। सिसमें सीड भी,
हम्म।
हर चीज में तिल, विंटर सीजन में बोलते हैं ना हर चीज में तिल डालना चाहिए,
हाँ हाँ।
because it increases iron level in the body। जब हमारा blood cell में हेमोग्लोबिन ज्यादा होता है तो we do not feel cold, warmth मिलती है बॉडी को जब rich blood cells होते हैं तो इसके लिए बोलते हैं विंटर सीजन में ये खाना चाहिए सीज में से। So this is due to the content of iron in it. Calcium is also present in sesame seed. So these are the things which I needed to explain. Anything else? If any difficulty after my class, you please read the notes, okay? Because when I will give you the questions for homework, you need to go through the notes only. Outside the notes, I cannot give any type of question, okay? This is
ओके।
the thing, because in your exam, in your theory exam, everything will come from the notes only. Whatever extra thing I have explained, no, this muscle contraction, all it is just for the knowledge. This is also for the knowledge, because only one line is written over there. It regulates the passage of substances. What is the passage? This is the passage from where it goes from this side to this side. दिस इज कॉल्ड पैसेज ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस। तो इतना डिटेल में तो वो एग्जाम में नहीं पूछेंगे, बट दिस पॉइंट यू नीड टू रिमेम्बर। ओके, एनीथिंग एल्स? Fine. Take care, Shalini. I'll just stop the recording, and after everybody reads the notes, I'll put a homework question. I'll put the message on group to view this video so that they can understand it, and then We are going to have reading time for the notes, and then that question homework comes at last. When the children, means when the trainees understand the concept, then only I can give homework, isn't it? So this is also this is spleen one is also query is resolved. Function of the spleen, it purifies red
Yes.
blood cells. Okay. And it also this fights with the germ. Uh, Invaders, we call it, like whenever we have some germs entry inside our body, spleen gets alert and it helps the body to fight with that. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Good night. Read the notes.
Good night, ma'am.
I'll stop recording.